Cyber threats on Windows 11 are evolving faster than most people realize. And the truth is, relying on the built-in protection alone can still leave major security gaps that hackers take advantage of every single day. Imagine waking up to find your laptop locked by ransomware, your files encrypted, and a message demanding thousands of dollars. Or discovering someone has been secretly monitoring your keyboard, stealing your logins, and draining your accounts while you sleep. These frightening scenarios aren't rare anymore. They're happening to millions of users who believed they were safe. But today, you're not just watching another ordinary review. You're about to unlock the ultimate blueprint to protecting your Windows 11 system in 2026. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which antivirus tools are truly worth your trust, your time, and your money. You'll learn what makes them powerful, which ones give you the best protection for the best value, and which common mistakes nearly everyone makes when choosing security software. And once you understand the differences, you'll instantly upgrade from vulnerable target to unstoppable defender. The plan is simple. First, you'll discover the major security challenges on Windows 11 right now. Next, we'll break down the top 10 antivirus solutions you can rely on in 2026 with real advantages and limitations, so you can confidently choose the one that fits your lifestyle and budget. And finally, you'll learn how to maximize protection without slowing your PC or getting bombarded by annoying notifications. There's even a surprising twist coming about number 1 on this list, because its most powerful security feature is something most users have never even noticed. Welcome to my channel, Padded Vibes. If you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and drop your country name below so we can connect together. You can also join us on Telegram and WhatsApp channel for more updates from the link in video description. Let's get into the video. Let's begin with number 10 and stay with me until number 1 because that's where the real upgrade happens. Number 10 goes to Malwarebytes. This antivirus has built its reputation by being one of the best at cleaning up malware that has already infected your PC. Many security experts recommend it specifically for removing stubborn threats that other programs miss. It's lightweight, simple, and designed for users who want to install protection and forget about it. The downside is that its real-time security features aren't as deep as the top competitors, so it works best as a strong enhancement to standard protection rather than the main line of defense. But here's where the surprise comes in later, because combining this one with the top-tier antivirus above it can unlock a powerful double-layer protection strategy that most beginners don't know exists. Moving up to number 9, Trend Micro. This solution is especially good at web protection. If you shop online, browse new websites often, or click lots of links from email, Trend Micro has strong phishing defenses designed to block scam and fake websites before they even load. It also includes ransomware monitoring, which is extremely important in 2026. However, it may slow down weaker devices when running scans, and its interface can feel restrictive to advanced users. Still, if your main concerns are banking and online privacy, this is a smart option that quietly shields your browsing life. Number 8 goes to ESET Internet Security. ESET is respected for being remarkably efficient. It uses very little system resources, meaning your Windows 11 PC stays fast, smooth, and responsive even during full scans. It's especially loved by gaming and productivity users. The detection technology is balanced, catching everything from script-based malware to dangerous USB devices that can secretly infect your system. But here's the limitation. Its features can feel technical, so if you're not comfortable with settings and security terms, you may find the menus a little overwhelming. Still, for advanced users, this level of control is pure freedom. Now, number 7, McAfee Total Protection. McAfee is one of the most recognized names in cybersecurity, and for good reason. It offers great identity protection tools, strong malware defenses, and even monitors the dark web to alert you if your personal data has been leaked. That's a major upgrade in the era of stolen accounts. The downside is pricing. Some plans can feel expensive compared to others on this list, and the performance can vary depending on your system. But if you want complete package security with identity monitoring and password protection built in, McAfee's an easy yes. Number 6 earns its place through pure reliability, and that's Avast Premium Security. Avast is a favorite for users who want real-time protection without overcomplicated setups. It has a strong firewall, phishing protection, and a behavioral blocker that identifies suspicious activity before malware even reveals itself. Plus, its Wi-Fi inspector helps protect home networks from intruders. Some users feel the upsell notifications can get a bit distracting, but compared to the level of protection and ease of use, Avast still proves itself a winning choice. Before we enter the top 5, here is something most people never consider. An antivirus is not only about stopping viruses, it's also about staying ahead of threats that haven't even been created yet. Artificial intelligence security engines are becoming the new battleground, and the next 5 solutions lead the future of predictive protection. Number 5 is Avira Prime. Avira is extremely lightweight, almost invisible in performance impact. If you're tired of security tools slowing your apps or games, Avira is a breath of fresh air. It includes advanced anti-tracking protection and uses cloud-based scanning for fast response against new threats. The only drawback is that some premium features require the highest priced plan. But if speed and privacy matter most to you, Avira stands tall in this lineup. Number 4 is Kaspersky Standard Security. Despite the controversies and political discussions that have surrounded its brand globally, when judged purely on technical performance, Kaspersky remains one of the most effective malware detection engines in the world. It excels in analyzing real-time threats and blocking ransomware instantly. Its interface is clean and its system impact is minimal. The challenge here is trust perception for some users, meaning choosing it depends on your comfort level. But speaking strictly from a cybersecurity capability standpoint, it absolutely deserves to be in the top 4. We are now entering the top 3, and the gap between them is very small, but each shines in its own unique way. Number 3, Webroot Secure Anywhere. This one is fascinating because it operates differently than traditional antivirus software. Instead of downloading massive databases of virus definitions, Webroot uses cloud intelligence, meaning it analyzes threats using a global AI network in real time. The result is a tiny installation file, lightning-fast scans, and almost zero performance hit on your PC. Gamers love this one. The trade-off is that if your internet connection is unstable or limited, its full power may not always be available. Still, for users who demand speed, Webroot is a top-tier contender. Number 2 is Norton 360 Deluxe. Norton has built a long reputation as the first name many people think of when they think antivirus. Today, it has expanded far beyond just virus blocking. Norton 360 includes a virtual private network for secure browsing, a password manager, cloud backup for your important files, and dark web protection to safeguard your identity. It offers complete shield around your digital life. The only reason it's not number 1 today is that full scans can sometimes take longer than average, especially on older laptops. But when you want a powerful, all-in-one solution that handles everything, Norton 360 is one of the smartest investments you can make. And now, the number 1 best antivirus for Windows 11 in 2026 is Bitdefender Total Security. Bitdefender takes the crown because it combines the strongest detection accuracy with incredible performance optimization. It doesn't just block well-known malware. It predicts attacks before they strike using advanced behavior analysis. It includes ransomware defense, microphone and webcam privacy control, parental monitoring if you share your device with family, and an optional firewall that outperforms built-in Windows tools. But here is the hidden gem that most users never realize. Bitdefender's multi-layered ransomware protection analyzes every file operation in real time, meaning even if a new ransomware strain tries to encrypt your photos or documents, Bitdefender can block the process instantly before damage occurs. That single feature alone has saved countless users from permanent data loss. Now that you've seen the top 10, here's where everything becomes actionable. Choosing the right antivirus depends on who you are as a computer user. If you want maximum all-around protection with future-proof features, Bitdefender and Norton remain the best. If you want the lightest and fastest experience, Webroot and Avira shine. If you want strong identity protection, McAfee is a leader. And if you enjoy deep customization, ESET will feel like home. And remember that earlier secret strategy, pairing Malwarebytes with any top antivirus dramatically increases your protection, shutting the door on both traditional and modern threats. Now before you go, imagine yourself 1 month from now. You're confidently using your PC, browsing the web, managing money, downloading files, and working on important projects, all without that silent anxiety that someone might be watching or waiting for the right moment to strike. You've taken control. You've become the hero in your own cybersecurity story. And here's the exciting part. This new level of digital protection is not just about blocking viruses. It's a powerful step towards securing your entire online lifestyle. We recently explored deeper privacy techniques and another guide where we exposed how cyber attackers manipulate everyday users and what hidden features in Windows 11 can stop them fast. If you want to multiply the power of everything you learned today, that breakdown will open your eyes to strategies most people never consider. If you learned something valuable here and you want more smart tech tutorials that protect your devices and your wallet, joining our community ensures you never move through the digital world alone. Subscribing keeps you ahead of the threats, liking lets this guide reach more people who urgently need real help, and commenting lets me know which tools or topics you want us to investigate next, because the strongest ideas we've ever covered came directly from this audience. You can also connect with us on Telegram, where we share exclusive cybersecurity tips and early access updates, especially for those who want to stay ahead of hackers and scams before anyone else even hears about them. This is the beginning of your secure future, not the end. Your device, your accounts, your privacy, your money, and your digital identity all deserve powerful protection. And now you have the knowledge to build that shield starting today. I can't wait to see how confidently you'll navigate the online world from now on. Stay protected.